Yo, what is popping, guys? Hopefully everyone's keeping well. In this video today, guys, I'm going to show and give you my predictions and kind of my expectations for GU in the upcoming weeks. Now, really quickly, guys, before we get started, even though I'm going to bang this video out for you in literally 5 minutes so you can have this nice, sweet, short, simple outlook on Gbpusd today, but it's imperative for me to let you know about the price increases that we're going to eventually be incorporating into our trading education from I believe half of May on. Okay, so halfway through May. It's imperative that I let you know now, because any people that purchase into our training programs now get honored throughout, even if we bring any new courses, which is something that we're coming out with. It's going to be absolutely mind-blowing. So we're going to be honoring all of those people that, even if you purchased into these cheaper packages right now, you're going to get anything that we bring out in the future for free. I want to tell you guys that we're going to be increasing the cost of the education. It's going to go into like 4 figures. So because yeah, we're trying to provide proper mentorship and proper education for people to really be able to change their current situation and genuinely truly become 6-figure traders. It's not a thing where I just want to hop on and show you a strategy or something like that. No, I'm going to be able to show you how to go from A to Z, from zero to hero, guys. And yeah, we're going to run through psychology, risk management, the proper way that you should be setting yourself up for success, and all of these things throughout the new course that is coming out and the mentorship. So if you are interested in actually getting access to a no bullshit group that's not just selling you a bullshit dream, then this is the place that you want to be. Now let's get started now, guys, and let's go through GU. All right, so let me put myself up here really quickly, back in the corner, just like so. Boom. All right, so let's go through Gbpusd. It's very important that we obviously start off on the higher time frames. As I said, I'm going to keep it short, sweet, and simple for you guys today. So we take a look at Gbpusd, and it was actually very interesting the past couple of weeks. As you can see, Gbpusd has kind of been a nightmare. It's very evident that it's just simply been a nightmare. If you take a look at like the 4-hour time frame, for example, we've had a lot of consolidation, a lot of manipulation. When I say manipulation, we've had a lot of wicks. Okay, see the wicks right here, just manipulating a lot of people out of their positions. Now eventually we had a very clean move, and this was a move that I've been waiting for quite a while, and I called this out on the Sunday live, I believe 2 weeks ago, and I was also able to catch this sell right here with the team, okay, in the Discord, and I also sent this out as a signal. Okay, so if you are interested in getting access to signals, you know what to do. So what I was able to do is I was able to call out this beautiful sell on Gbpusd right here. And my reasoning behind it was I was interested in seeing this imbalance get filled in right here. So we had this imbalance, and I wanted to also see this institutional candle get mitigated. Okay, and we had that right here, where this 1-hour institutional candle got mitigated, and I was able to find a lower time frame entry right here within here. So I didn't catch this institutional candle. Okay, I didn't get into just a simple risk entry. I waited for the confirmation. So this was a confirmation entry that I was able to play into right here. Now, my reasoning was because we had very quick price action to the upside, and what is fast doesn't last. There's a lot of imbalances and inefficiency right here to the downside, so I would like to see this price action be filled in as quick as possible, and that's exactly what price did. Now looking at the DXY is extremely bullish. And why am I looking at the DXY? The DXY is imperative to look at in regards to being able to understand the correlation between the GBP pair as well, like GU. Okay, it's very important. We take a look at DXY, and there's no stopping DXY. It's very bullish. We created that move right here on the 4-hour time frame, where we formed 2 legs to the upside. Okay, so we formed one leg, pullback, and another leg, and then we formed a pullback right here, and we ended up clearing this internal low, and we played right into the 45-minute institutional candle, and that was the beautiful move that we had here today, that we had here last week. My apologies. Okay, so this is a really nice move, and once again this move was able to break structure for me right here. So we've been able to validate the structure, and I still believe in the continuation to the upside. So what I see right here from the 4-hour price action is, my potential belief is that we will probably come back down and either react from this one, which is probably the more unlikely scenario. I do believe that we will somewhat fill in the imbalance that we have right here. So this is a fairly large imbalance, and I would like to see the 50% of the imbalance at least filled in right here, and then I'd like to see price launch to the upside and create a new leg to the upside, meaning that for GU I'd like to see the exact same thing. I'd like to see some sort of pullback to the upside. All right, So let's go like potentially to the 1 hour time frame. I'd like to see some sort of pullback to the upside, potentially into a level here or to this institutional candle. Now the only thing that is bothering about this one is that we have liquidity to the upside. Okay, so that is from the lower time frame perspective. So these two areas are possible, but what is the highest probable situation here? I'm going to show you now. The 8 hour time frame is the highest probable one, because we have this 1, 2. We always want to have liquidity within to sponsor our move to the downside. So this liquidity becomes our internal high. So my point is, I would like to see some sort of retracement back up to the institutional candle right here. Okay, and I'd like to see a continuation to the downside. So to really get to the point, I want to see GU breaking this low, because I failed to break this low on the higher time frame multiple times, I believe, on the daily. So we failed to break it right here, and I do believe now is the time to break it. We failed to go up any higher and change of character with this bullish candle, even though we cleared the lows and we failed to break structure. But I do believe that now is the time that we're going to eventually once again continue to the downside. The DXY strength is very strong still with everything that's currently going on. So I still believe in the weakness of the Great British Pound. So my prediction for it is another pullback to the upside, potentially within here, but the most likely one is this one, and then I'd like to see downside. So that is my bias on Gbpusd, and hopefully you enjoyed these type of videos. Let me know if you enjoy these type of videos. I'll be able to send out more and more of these biases throughout the week. Let me know what pairs you want me to go over next, and that is it for this video. I appreciate every single one of you for listening through to the end, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Have a good one.